Today is Thursday and we are hitting something called Backstage Extreme. I've been on Backstage Pass. It's not hard at all, but we're going to try this Backstage Extreme. We are lined up early as usual and we'll wait on the group and head on out. So we'll see what the day has in store for us. Now, Backstage Extreme is a small section at the top of Backstage, a moderate trail. Obviously, Backstage Extreme, based on its name, is rated a little more difficult than Backstage. It has several climbs that are really interesting, like this one you're seeing now. Lots of traction, and I would say it's probably full body rig friendly. I didn't see too many places where you're going to beat up body panels. Hey guys, so we got a passenger. It's George from. Are you from El Paso?
Yeah, I'm from
El Paso. Yeah, he works for FabTech. He told me he's gonna give me a deal on some bumpers.
I work for Alamo, not FabTech.
Alamo. I'm sorry, Alamo. So we are on Backstage Extreme, and man, so you've never done anything like this?
No, it's my first time.
Really? What do you think?
Interesting.
Yeah,
it's fun. It's fun.
You got the shaky leg yet?
Yeah, I'm already doing it. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna hit the trail. I think we got some more stuff just like this up the way. I hope it's been pretty good so far. Now this is Steve in a pretty built little Jeep LJ. Was up front for the day. Here he is while he's three-wheeling. He's gonna give us a little Jeep wave. Hey Steve. Set it down. Set it down. There you go.
You missed the first one.
Hey, that was pretty good. Good climb. We're up. All right, Shane's up next. He's almost up. He never waits on me. Whoa. Well, get out of the way. That thing totally needs a muffler. It's too loud.
Like a stroll to the supermarket.
Oh man, that was awesome. This is a great trail. Little rocky, kind of technical through the little arroyos, and then you got these climbs that you just saw. That was awesome. Let's go see how Shane's doing. So this is our trail guide, Steve, right?
Steve, I'm not the trail guide. I'm driving the trail guide.
Okay, the trail guide's rig broke, Hobart, right?
Yes.
Yeah, which is odd. His name is like a welder and his rig is broken. But anyway.
He's a welder, so they nicknamed him Hobart.
Oh, is that right? Okay. So Steve, I told Steve that he wanted me to stop in case Shane needed to hook a winch line to somebody, and I let him know that Shane would burn that rig to the ground before he hooks a winch line to me. So looks like he's up though.
It looks easier than it is.
It's insured. All right, guys, we're off the trail, and tonight we're gonna finish up with the articulation ramp. So they just started. We'll go over here and get some video of these guys going up.
All right, you got a score of 1,103 on that. 1,103. It's distance up the ramp divided by wheelbase times 1,000. So we have a new leader at 1509. What's your name, sir?
I think that beat Josh too. Yeah? I just want to know if I beat him or not.